Saturday, December 2nd, Club Karoo will be the hosting ground for one of the biggest album release party of the year. It's Relax, Friendzone, official album release celebration.
Everybody put your drinks in the air.
Yeah, this event will bring out the celebrities in the house for the big album release party, featuring It's Relax, It's Relax, Friendzone, official album release celebration with a special guest performance by It's Sickler, Sickler Live. Also, Woodshed, come party with Relax, Woodshed, and Sickler. Saturday, December 2nd at Club Karoo, 1000 State Road 84, Fort Lauderdale. It's Relax album release. Intermission by the BMG DJ. Dress code will be strictly enforced. Saturday, December 2nd, Club Karoo, where admission is only $20 in advance, $25 for VIP, with free CDs, posters, and T-shirts. Compliments of Relax. For info, call 844-4BMG Live. Extension 1, presented by BMG in Epic Production. Be there.